In energy complex, we have seen both crude prices and natural gas prices rallied very well. We have seen crude prices gain nearly 2% to regain March 2020 level. In international, we have seen Brent prices are very near to $52 mark, whereas Brent is very well above $49 mark. Overall, we expect this gain could be possible. We can continue to see in next 1 week period. On MCX also, we have seen prices gain about 3500 level mark. Similarly, natural gas prices rallied near to 5% in the line of expectation. Prices are near to 200 level mark right now. With the fundamentals side, we have seen energy demand is slowly and steadily improving as on lockdown already we have seen. No doubt some concerns from US and Europe is there with the ongoing rise in the number of cases, but it has been offsetted with the vaccines stock. Vaccines are been now in the market. Because of that, hopes are quite good that demand could improve for crude oil. Overall, we expect technical structure is been very sound for WTI crude oil above $48 mark. We can see level again towards $50-51 mark in next 1 week period. Similarly, holding about $50 mark in Brent, we can see prices moving towards $53. On MCX, prices are regained 3500 level mark. We can see prices continue to be traded with a positive bias, and for next objective of 3650 on higher side. Whereas natural gas has got support after the inventory drop what we have seen in last week around minus 90 BCF, and this week also we are expecting a further drop in inventory that could support the prices. A breach and hold about 200 level mark can give us a target of 210 to 215 for natural gas. Overall, in energy complex, we expect crude oil and natural gas both will be trading with a positive bias. Overall, we can buy crude oil for a target of 3650 and natural gas for a target of 215 level. In last 1 week period, we have seen very good volatility in bullion market. As we have stated earlier that on the eve of vaccines in global market, we can see sharp correction in gold. So almost from November onwards, we have seen $200 fall in gold prices. But now number of cases are still again rising. That has supported gold prices. Secondly, dollar index is very well trading with weakness only. Right now it's trading near to 90.20. On a weakness of dollar and concerns in regard with the COVID, gold is once again trading with a positive bias. In last 1 week period on MCX, we have seen gold prices regain and trading right now with a 1.5% on higher side, just shy to cross 50,000 level mark. Overall, fundamental and technical both are being supportive for gold prices, and we can see prices moving back again towards 51,000 to 51,200 on higher side. Coming on silver prices, we have seen sound recovery in silver prices also. In last 1 week period, a 5% gain has been observed in silver prices. Meanwhile, since January till now, silver prices gained nearly 42%. That is been quite impressive rally we have seen in silver prices, as silver enjoy both bullion and base metal properties. As numbers from China is been quite supportive. Industrial activity is been now on pre-COVID period. That has been supportive for silver also. Technically also, silver right now trading very well about $25 mark, and on domestic side also prices are very well trading about 66,000 level. All these factors make silver more attractive. We can see 2650 as an immediate target for international silver, whereas on domestic side, looking to the data point and everything, we expect silver can easily retest 69,000 level mark in next 1 week period. Overall, one should buy gold and silver for next 1 week period, targeting 51,000 to 51,200 for gold, whereas silver can test 68,500 to 69,000 level mark. In last 1 week period, we have seen base metal prices traded in a very narrow range. We have seen sudden fall in the prices, but again prices has recovered and now moving on the weekly high basis. We have seen data point from China is been very much positive for base metal prices. No doubt some concerns in regards with the COVID is once again haunting the prices. We have seen some fresh restriction in US and Europe that has been slightly creating pressure. But on the other side, vaccines in many economy has been already started. Because of that, prices are going to be on a positive side. As year end is there, ongoing winter has created a supply concern in China that has been supportive for base metal prices. From the inventory side also, we have seen some concerns in case of aluminium, nickel and lead. So all these commodity we expect for next 1 week period is going to be on a positive bias, no doubt. Technically, initially we were expecting that prices have been slightly in overbought zone. We may see some pullback, but already in last 1 week period consolidation was there in the market that has make levels more attractive. Copper holding above 600 level, we can see prices moving towards 612 to 1615 on higher side, whereas nickel, as good demand for stainless steel and supply concern for iron ore is been supportive for nickel prices, holding about 1280, give us a target of 1340 1350 on higher side. Out of all other base metal, zinc is also getting a very good support around 218 level, holding about 218, and a breach of 221 level can find resistance towards 225 level on higher side. Overall, for next 1 week period, we expect base metal prices is going to be on a positive side, but slightly be cautious, because when you see copper prices or all other base metal prices since last 9 months, prices are gained by more than 50%. So slightly be cautious on higher side, keep booking on higher levels, but overall fundamental and technical right now is been supportive. We should go long in copper, zinc and nickel. These three commodities seems to be more bullish as compared to any other. Thank you.